In our last video, we discussed why you should automate marketing for your business. And as promised, in today's video, we will talk about how to do it. But, before we start, here is a reminder to subscribe to the channel so that we can bring value to you free of charge. Having said that, let us get back to the video. So, here is how to do effective marketing automation to increase sales. 1. By increasing sales through SMS and email campaigns. SMS and email marketing are the easiest marketing strategies to automate. And, it is a very effective way to individually reach out to your customers. You can easily keep your customers up to date about your business, your services, your products, and also not give them a chance to forget you. There are some examples of how we can use SMS and email marketing to connect with your customers. A. You can use email and SMS to send them newsletters and alerts to content like a blog post or a video, which can help them relate to your brand and services. Make sure that you give them value through the content you are directing them towards. B. If you notice that one of your customers hasn't used or shopped from your brand for a little while, send them an email or a message SMS implying how you miss them. C. After they purchase a product from you, you can send them an email or SMS that invites them to rate the service or product for a discount coupon code that they can use on the next spending or purchase. 2. Use automated loyalty programs to increase repeat visits. You need to automate your loyalty rewards program because it will definitely save you time and money and will help your business continuously get the work done without any errors. Automate your loyalty rewards program by enabling customers to register with their phone number and email address. Make it easier for them to look up the information that will make them stay in touch with you. Use your point-of-sale software to track the rewards of customers earned and show it to them. Every time they are about to reach the next rewards milestone, point it out to them through an automated SMS or email and allow them to redeem their rewards. Make sure you create these loyalty programs based on the type of business that you have. For example, you have high visits by customers but average spending in each visit, then a visit-based loyalty program will be more profitable. On the other hand, if you'll get an average number of visitors but spending on each visit is high, then it is better to run an amount-based loyalty program. 3. Reach out to new customers. Sending cold SMS and email for promotion to potential customers can be considered spamming, but you can still work with it if you follow the guidelines and do it smartly. Make sure to plan accordingly. While sending these SMS, make sure you're sending them to people who are within the area of the business and included a clear call to action, like order now or book now with the required link. You also need to segment your customer database after sending bulk SMS and emails. You also need to segment your customer database after sending bulk SMS or emails based on the number of opens and clicks. Sending bulk SMS and emails may help you reach more people but will not result in high conversion unless you segment your customer database. Doing this manually is not possible, so using a smart marketing automation tool is a must. 4. Marketing for different outlets of the same brand. Sometimes the marketing strategies that work at one outlet don't work for a different outlet, so this makes effective campaigns very difficult. You need to make sure that you run custom marketing campaigns for a specific outlet. Marketing automation tools can really help in this matter. By using these tools, you can create outlet-level offers and discounts and run campaigns like SMS and email campaigns for customers specific to that outlet. 5. Automated social media marketing to create brand awareness and increase engagement. In today's world, social media marketing is the best way to market your brand. But since it is time-consuming, the best way to do it is through automating social media as much as possible. Automating features like scheduling posts, automatic replies, creating and posting following a new blog post, and posting based on individuals' particular triggers. Automation will greatly help you pre-plan the content that needs to be published with the least time spent. Some social media platforms enable you to schedule a post months in advance, otherwise you can use automation tools like Hootsuite and Buffer to schedule your post beforehand. You can also use an online reputation management tool that sends you alerts if somebody mentions your brand online. This will greatly help you keep track of the reviews and see if there are any bad reviews that you should know about and fix them. A bad review online can seriously damage a brand's reputation. Automating your social media for the brand can save you a lot of time, however, not everything can be done through these automation tools. Do the things that need to be done manually, like responding to private messages like questions and concerns from your customers. Make sure you reply to the comments. This shows that the brand cares about the customers. During this will also encourage your customers to engage more with your business online. There you go. These are the ways how you can effectively automate social media marketing for your brand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what topics on marketing do you want us to cover next on this channel. With that said, we will see you in our next video. Keep learning and keep growing.